Okay, so we are in Sioux City, Iowa to visit my grandpa for the week. And here's his air conditioner. It's a Heil QuietComfort. It's got a sound blanket. Gentech fan motor. 2.5 ton from 2013. 16 SEER. It's a nice unit. I plan to get a startup and shutdown of this unit probably tomorrow or so. Yeah. It's a nice unit. I'll go show you the furnace. Here's the furnace. It is a Lennox Elite Series furnace. This house used to have a Lennox condenser, but something happened to it. I'm not really sure what happened, but yeah, the Heil is its replacement. And then here's the water heater. It's a Root Achiever model. Anyways, thanks for watching.